After Ram and Durga, Saraswati Puja has become a new flashpoint between ruling TMC and BJP in poll-bound West Bengal in a bid to woo the voters ahead of the state polls. Both BJP and TMC have geared up to use Saraswati Puja, which is one of the most important religious and cultural events in Bengal. While BJP leaders are gifting Saraswati idols to people, the TMC has organized more than 100 pujas in Hooghly alone. The TMC MP Aparupa Poddar is herself overseeing these arrangements. The TMC is also using the puja to publicize welfare schemes launched by Mamata. However, the BJP has accused TMC of using puja to get Hindu votes. The BJP alleged that in a bid to consolidate the vote bank, the TMC is now bowing Hindus.
দুর্গা পূজার বিসর্জন করতে গেলে পুজো করতে গেলে হাইকোর্টে সুপ্রিম কোর্টে যেতে হয়। এই ব্যবস্থা কিন্তু আগে ছিল না। উলবেড়িয়ায় সরস্বতী পুজো করতে গেলে ছাত্রছাত্রীদের পথ অবরোধ করতে হয়। মুর্শিদাবাদের তো এমন এমন বিদ্যালয়ের নাম আমি বলে দিতে পারি যেখানে মাননীয়ার আমলে সরস্বতী পুজো বন্ধ হয়েছে।
People of Bengal, the common people, the educated people, they are knowing that what the environment is prevailing all over India. Now we have to save Bengal from the clutches of this BJP. So many more clubs have been involving in this puja, and they are doing it on the banner of Trinamool Congress.
सबको मालूम है भारतीय जनता पार्टी, भारतीय जो आदर्श है, जो संस्कृति है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी मानते हैं। हम सब देव देवी का पूजा भी करते हैं, मानते भी है, हमारे ये संस्कृति है। हम लोग चाहते हैं जो पश्चिम बंगाल में सब लोग भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सरकार का इंतजार कर रहे हैं। अभी ये सरस्वती पूजा करके कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा उनका, क्योंकि सरस्वती पूजा सब घर घर में होता है हमारा।
सरस्वती पूजा आप ये ममता बनर्जी का 10 साल की गवर्नमेंट और इसके पहले भी जो गवर्नमेंट रही है बंगाल में, हर वक्त सरस्वती पूजा, दुर्गा पूजा, काली पूजा, सब पूजाएं यहाँ पर होती थी। लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी इसको लेकर राजनीति कर रही है। जैसे आपको याद होगा कि दिलीप घोष दो तरह की बात करते हैं। दिलीप घोष क्या बोले कि मुहर्रम में जो है दुर्गा पूजा का विसर्जन नहीं होता है, और वही दिलीप घोष क्या बोलते हैं कि दुर्गा कौन है, दुर्गा कहाँ से आ गई। तो देखिए उनका ये जो है दो चेहरा सामने आ गया इस बार।
Prema Rajaram reporting from Kolkata is bringing us up to speed with the very latest. Prema, first explain to our viewers what is this God politics that is breaking out in West Bengal?
Well, Chaiti, when it's the politics of Durga Puja and Ram, also now is the politics of Saraswati Puja that the BJP and Trinamool Congress are using to reach out to their voters and tell the voters that we are a party, whether it's the BJP or Trinamool Congress, who thinks about the people and their religious festivities. When we're talking about the BJP, in the last 2 days, they have distributed idols to people across West Bengal. And when we're looking at the Trinamool Congress, they have already performed 125 Saraswati Puja celebrations in Hooghly district itself. And these celebrations will continue across other parts of the state as well. The Trinamool Congress does not want to be left behind when it comes to reaching out to their Hindu voters, because the BJP has often accused the Trinamool Congress of appeasing only the minority voters. And somewhere Trinamool Congress wants to tell the people through the Saraswati Puja celebrations that we are a party that's inclusive and thinks about all religions. As far as the BJP is concerned, they are looking to consolidate the Hindu votes in West Bengal, and Saraswati Puja is an occasion for them also to reach out to their voters. So both parties trying hard to reach out to the voters here in West Bengal, and particularly the Hindu voters. Back to you, Chaiti.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Prema, for getting us up to speed with the very latest.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.